welcome back to my YouTube channel. I remain your girl C Concept. I'm glad to have you back once again, and I want to say a very big thank you to all my subscribers, all my viewers all over the world. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for encouraging me. You are the best. So in today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to make a ruffle satin bonnet. It's a DIY. You can do it on your own, okay? It's something that you must have. It's a must-have as a woman, okay? So here I have this is satin and this is Ankara fabric, okay? So the measurements I'll be using for average, you could make use of between 10 and 14. But in my own case, in this tutorial, I want to be making use of 12 inches. That is the radius of my bonnet, the radius of the circle. I'll just make do of 12 inches. And before that, this is how you're going to place your fabric on fold, because I have a square fabric here. At least let's check the inches. This is 24 inches by 24 inches, okay? It's 24 inches by 24 inches. So that's what I'll be making, okay? So you place it like this. You fold it first, then the second one you fold it again, making 4, okay? This is the open fold, 1 2 3 4, okay? And this is the folded part. So from this folded part, what you are going to do now is you place your tape measure like this, okay? You measure out your desired length, okay? Mine, as I said in this tutorial, I'll be making use of 12 inches, okay? From this edge, I'll be measuring 12 inches, including my allowance. So this is it. Measure it round. Like this. Then I'll give it a cut. So after cutting, you're going to have something like this, a circle, okay, the full circle. So what I'm going to do next is to place it on the satin. I will use it as a template or as a guide, okay? So you spread it out. You spread it out. You can as well fold it the same way you folded the Ankara, okay? Let's just do it this way, okay? Then I'll cut it out, okay? So I've cut it out now. So the next thing we are going to do now is you place it right side facing each other. This is the right side of the Ankara and this is the right side of satin. You place it like so. Then you take it to your sewing machine. You sew half an inch round. So when you get to the starting point, you leave about 5 inches, okay, just for you to turn it out, okay? So after stitching it, you give it a good notch round, okay? You notch it round and round. Then after that, remember we left an opening where you will turn it out inside out. So you do that. So after turning in out, inside out, this is how it's going to look, okay? Then Remember, this is the opening we left for turning it out. So, and we have done that. So the next thing is you take it to your pressing corner, then give it a good ironing, okay, just to flatten it down, okay. So I've given it a good press now. The next thing we are going to do, remember, is a ruffle, bonnet, hair bonnet. So from this edge, as you can see, from this edge, I'll mark out 1.5. I'll mark it round, okay, round the fabric like so. You mark it, you form a circle again. So I've marked it. I don't know if you can see it. This yellow line, I've marked it 1.5 from this edge to this point, 1.5. Okay. So after marking that, you mark it round. Okay. Don't leave a space. So I will go and sew it round. Okay. So I'll stitch it round. As you can see, no opening. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do now, from the part where I stop the 1.5, you know, I took the measurement from this edge down to this part. Then I will take from this seam line, okay, I believe you can see me, I will take 1/2 inch again. That's where my elastic will go in. So I will take it round again, take this round. This time around, I will sew it and stop here. Remember, the first time, the opening here. So I will take it, I will stop at this opening because my elastic will be going in through this opening. So I will sew 1/2 inch round again and stop here. So this is it. This is what I did. This is the first one, 1.5 round, okay, and the second one at the upper part of the 1.5, not below, I took 1/2 inch round again, and I left an opening to pass the elastic. Okay, so the elastic I'll be using is just 0.25. It's not up to 1/2 inch. Okay, this is what I have available now, so you can use 1/2 inch elastic. Okay, so if you have, so I'll pass it, I'll pass my safety pin, then I'll put it here. Don't know if you can see me. I'll pass it round, then round and round, like so. The measurement of my elastic is the circumference of my head. Okay, don't pull the elastic, just wrap it around your head. Whatever you get, just cut it out. Okay, so I'm taking the elastic like so. Find your way through until you get to the starting point again. Okay, so I've found my way out of the circumference. So the next thing to do now is to stitch it. I'll place it like this and give it a stitch. Then after that, I will close up these opening parts. This is the final look, and remember to stitch up the opening parts when you are done. You see, so beautiful. You can gift it, you can start selling it. Okay, very beautiful. You can use both sides together. You can turn it. It's irreversible. You see, it's reversible. I mean, you see, this is the inner part and this is the outer part of it. So beautiful. Thank you for watching to the end, and if you have not joined this family, just hit on the red icon, okay, and join. It is free, no fee, no charge. Okay, and try and press your notification bell in case I upload new video. You'll get notified. Okay, don't forget to like, share the video, okay? Let it go round, okay? Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video.